It is essential that we find ways of feeding the world without destroying the climate. Ruminant animals make marginal agricultural land productive, but their digestion isn't very efficient. We're looking at how climate change might affect grass's response to being eaten. Yes, you heard that right. Because grass gets eaten alive, its stress responses form part of the digestion process. We found that our artificial nose equipment can sniff out differences between grass that's been grown under stressful climate conditions, and that this stressed grass is less digestible. We're now looking at what genes are involved in those responses and whether there are knock-on effects for animal performance. This will help to see whether the high-tech grasses we grow presently will continue to perform well in a changing climate. By understanding how climate affects ruminant animals, we can try to minimise the effect of ruminants on the climate.
Small nation, big ideas. Welsh science tackling climate change.